The Safer Travel virtual reality experience is a revolutionary new way of educating our next generation of travellers about the risks to their safety. The airport scenario is the first of its kind. Over the years, the charity have developed their own safety principles and safer travel techniques. The scenario follows the CAR travel safety pillars: knowledge, awareness, and response. Virtual reality offers a fully immersive experience where players can try and test their knowledge in complete safety. Travellers can walk freely around the airport following the full check-in process until finally boarding their flight. There are specifically designed interactions at each stage for travellers to better understand the risk to their safety and test their reactions and responses. The airport is a starting point for many travelling experiences. We are already working on our second scenario. The Australian adventure is coming soon.